Hey YouTube family, this is Life, Travel, and Finance, back with another video. I had a little bit of time here in between my nephew's baseball game. So I read an article earlier today about Generation Z complaining that they feel judged by their parents for the fact that they don't know financial literacy, and that most of the parents these days, I think I read the article said 50% of parents are paying Generation Z's bills. This was kind of surprising to me, but not at the same time. So a little bit about me. I am big into Dave Ramsey, Susie Orman, Smart Money Rose is another person that I follow and gotten information over the years. So the problem is that what these Generation Z people are saying is true. They were not taught financial literacy in schools. It's not too long ago that I was in college, and I don't remember being taught very many courses on finances at all. I did take accounting and some business classes, but overall, like how to budget, how to get an auto loan, how to get a mortgage, none of that stuff that I recall was taught in school. So that part is not their fault. Now, the parents' part, parents do have a part in making sure that their kids are financially literate. So that part does come on the parents if they have not taught them the basics, like when you go get a loan, when you go get a mortgage, that kind of information I do feel like comes from parents. But we also have to keep in mind that there are single parent households. So in these single parent households, a lot of them are just in survival mode. So they're living basically paycheck to paycheck. And so when they're living paycheck to paycheck, they don't have time to sit here and think about financial literacy when they're just basically trying to survive and living check to check. So some solutions on what we could do. What we could actually do is make sure that financial literacy is actually taught in high school. If it's not taught in schools, if it's not something that is taught in college, for those that don't go to college, we need to make sure that that is something that is taught from people in the finance world, or people have resources that they can go to, whether it's guidance counselors, the schools, whatever that case may be. And if the parents don't know, the parents need to actually get educated on this as well. So those are a couple things that we could do. There's for those Gen Z people that do not know, don't have resources, whether from high school or college or from their parents, check out YouTube. You can learn a lot of things about finance. I'll give you some people to follow. Smart Money Bro is a really good one. Look at some of the old Dave Ramsey videos. That stuff helps. And just kind of go from there and see people actually around you that are financially literate, and try to pick up everything that you can from there and just go from there. So hopefully the information that I was actually given in this video will actually be helpful to someone out there. So if you're not financially literate, you can actually learn from YouTube, the people around you. Use your resources and everything that you have to your advantage. To the parents, if you are actually taking care of your kids' bills, that's something that you need to maybe start tying to stuff, like saying, hey, I'll teach you this as long as you learn a little bit about this, or get them books or something that they can learn. So again, I am Life, Travel, and Finance. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share for those who may need this information, and look forward to more finance videos coming in the future for you guys.